Hey guys, it's Saturday afternoon and we fly to Australia on Tuesday. So we got a couple of days to get this house squared away. So excuse the mess behind us. But we're trying to pack up everything by tomorrow so that Monday we can clean this whole place up and we'll be ready to go on Tuesday morning. But I wanted to take some time real quick to show you guys our new bags. So these bags were recommended to us by our first workawayers, which was about a year ago. And since then we haven't really had our hands on them, so I couldn't remember how they looked or how big they were. Thankfully, those guys have a YouTube video, a review for these bags. So I'm not gonna bother to make a review of these bags. I'm just gonna put their link below in the comment section. So if you want to check it out, go check out the link. But for now, since I just got them today, I want to kind of react on camera on how the bags are as far as size and all that. We also got these bags so that we can pack all our stuff in here. I have 4 different colors. Megu already claimed the red ones. But the reason for these colors is so that we have 2 bags and we're going to try to fit 1 adult and 1 child's clothes in just each bag. I have 2 different sizes here. They are the Osprey Farpoint 70, so they're both those. But the difference is that one is medium large and the other one's small medium. And as far as I understand it, the size difference has to do with the straps. So that's why I got 2 of these. I'm 5'10", Megu's 5 feet. So if this one's right for me, then obviously it's gonna be too big for her. So I got both sizes. But first, let me open up these right here so I can get them out of the way. So Lauren and Darren also recommended these. That's why we got them. They also reviewed these along with the bags on their YouTube video. So we have here 4 bags, 2 different sizes, 2 large, and I think these are small or medium. It doesn't really have the size on here, but they're from Amazon. And so I'm in the military, so I know how to, wrap my clothes so that it takes less space. So I'm pretty sure I'm only gonna need 2 of these. I'm not gonna take too much, but if anything, I'll take one of these big ones as a spare so we can use it as a laundry bag once we're in Australia and we're in the camper van. Okay, so these look like they're gonna be really convenient. Let me get these out of the way. All right, so let's get to these bags. So again, they're both the same sizes. The only difference is the strap, I believe. So let me open this one. This right here is the small medium. So the small medium is gonna be on my left. And the medium large is going to be on my right. Alright, so you can see they're the same size. So one of the features that got my attention with these bags is the fact that it opens up like a suitcase. So if I open up and strap everything right here, it's really nice. And then you can actually open it like this, alright? And also the straps are hidden away. You can open up like this. Right? So that's another feature that I like. And the best part I think about these is that instead of carrying 2 bags, 1 luggage and 1 backpack, it has the backpack included in here. So we can just take this out. So now we have luggage for the clothes and a backpack for the electronics and things like that. It's cool because it also has like a little lock here for the zipper so it doesn't come undone if somebody just takes it apart. Alright, so let's see what the difference is between the small, medium, and the medium large. I like that you have a lot of straps to make sure that nothing sticks out. It's going to allow me to put a lot of pressure on this. Okay, so this is the back side, and this hides away somewhere. So let me open this up. It has Velcro, so once I roll it up, I can just seal it. Alright, so this is just supposed to be mine, so let's see how it fits. I'm glad that it has these straps because as I mentioned earlier, my back is hurt, and so even though I can stand right now, I wouldn't feel comfortable carrying too much weight. In fact, I have the belt underneath. Okay, so that's pretty good. Nice size. I'm a big guy, so I had to get the biggest one they had. Has a whistle. That's cool. Nice, good. High on my bag, which I like. I mean, I'm used to it like that in the army. Alright, nice. So hopefully I'll be able to put my clothes and Ria's clothes in here. And let's see what the difference is between that one and this one. If I put them side to side, you can tell that this one's a little higher. Not too much though. It's only maybe like about an inch. So this Megu's Our straps end here, and my straps end here. Not a really. Oh, this one's actually, it is a little bit smaller. Not huge though. So I guess not just the strap. You can actually see a little bit of a difference. Well, that's pretty cool. So that's it. I'm gonna start packing, guys, and I'll check in later on.